If you manage websites on Hostinger, adding team members can save you a ton of time and make collaboration much easier. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add team members on Hostinger step by step so you can safely give access to the right person, choose what they can manage, and send the invitation in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple hosting tutorials and web hosting guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account and open the hPanel dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Account Sharing. If you don't see it there right away, you can also find Account Sharing at the bottom of the left sidebar. This is the section where Hostinger lets you manage team access and invitations. Next, make sure you are on the Give Access tab. This is important because it's the option used when you want to invite someone new to your account. After that, click the Give Access button to begin the invitation setup. Now you'll see a form where you can enter your team members' details. In the recipient field, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Be careful here and double check the email address because the invitation will be sent directly to that inbox. After that, select the specific services you want this person to manage. Hostinger lets you control access very precisely, so you can choose things like a specific hosting plan, a domain, or even email accounts depending on what your team member needs to work on. This is really useful if you want to give limited access instead of sharing your entire account. Once you've selected the services, the next step is to assign the correct permission level. Hostinger usually gives you two main options here, Collaborator and Admin. If you choose Collaborator, that person can manage websites, files, databases, and hosting settings, but they won't be able to purchase new plans or domains. If you choose Admin, they get full site management access, and they can also purchase new plans or domains using the saved payment methods on the account. So before you continue, think carefully about what level of access your team member actually needs. For most developers, designers, or support staff, Collaborator is often enough. For a trusted partner or manager, Admin may be the better choice. Once everything looks correct, review the email, the selected services, and the permission level one more time. Then click Give Access or Send Invitation to send a request. Hostinger will email the invitation to your team member and they'll need to accept it before they can access the account. After they accept, they'll be able to work within the permissions you set, which makes collaboration much smoother and much more secure. And that's it. You now know how to add team members on Hostinger, choose the right services, assign the right role, and send the invitation successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Hostinger guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.